Hey guys, this is Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida, and I'm here to show you the Surveyor fifth wheel pre-owned unit that we just got here on the lot. And I'm doing this video just to show you around, give you an idea of what it looks like. Alright, let's start here in the kitchen. Now, the kitchen here has a double door fridge by Dometic with a nice, let's see, it seems to be like a solid wood there, solid wood paneling, which is really nice. This RV is in stellar condition, especially for its age. It almost looks like it's barely been used. I mean, it is pretty outstanding. Got a triple burner stove and oven here. Nice drawer space. Little magazine rack or cooking rack. Hang paper towels there. Little pin board here to stick notes and keys. Opens up for all of your controls in there. Nice cabinetry above. As we look in, we'll see nice storage space in there as well. Little place for decorations or other storage you may want. Moving down here to the sink, we do have a double well sink with accompanying cutting boards. Residential like blinds for the kitchen. Have this cool little feature. This slides out. Put spices, oils, whatever you need to be handy. That is the kitchen. Moving on into the living area, we have our entertainment wall with a Sanyo flat screen TV, a clock, and FM, AM radio, DVD player, and CD player. Moving over to the dinette area. Storage underneath each dinette. Obviously this does turn into a bed. You're probably familiar with that concept. Night shades and day shades. Space above here as well. Now this is a pull-out couch, not just a jackknife. It's not a jackknife, it's a pull-out couch, so you can fit another 2 people in here, plus the dinette, plus the queen bed up there. That's a total of 6 people. Nice balances, all still in really great condition. Here in the living area, sofas, spectacular condition. Nice counter space, wood-like flooring. You have your vents, carpets in great condition. Your 13.5 air conditioner, speakers throughout for your entertainment. Up there too in that corner. And of course your ceiling fan. Alright, let's move into the bedroom. You have a 1 step up to the bedroom, a door that slides for privacy into the bedroom. Now you'll actually walk into the bathroom first, and in order to keep that privacy, you have a curtain that blocks off the bathroom to the bedroom. In case your kids or your visitors need to use the restroom, you can just partition that off. You have our medicine cabinet here with a mirror on the front, storage in there. Nice little sink area here with storage in there as well. Moving into the shower. Nice big shower with a skylight. This is a corner shower with glass doors. Moving into the bathroom. The bathroom is in a separate door. Keeps it smelling good on the outside. Toilet, paper holder, floor flush toilet. Of course your fan. Keep ventilation in here. And looks to be like a little cubby hole for towels or whatnot in there as well. Alright, moving into the bedroom. Oh look, there's even some decoration up there. Alright, we've got drawers here, storage for more clothes. Yep. Have an RV-sized queen bed Wardrobes on either side, a little place for whatever you need up there. His and her reading lights. That about does it for the inside. We'll move on here to the outside. Show you what's going on the outside. See if I can get the exact model number for you. Alright, the exact model number is a SVF 273LRL, or rear living. Tires are in good condition. The awning is in good condition and is working, as you can see. Comes out. There's your furnace. Nice storage compartment in there. And there's your LP tanks. Alright, your outside speakers are there as well. Spare tire under there. I don't remember if I may have said it was Surveyor by Keystone, but it's actually Forest River, not Keystone. I think I said Surveyor fifth wheel. More storage here. Got a little light in there to turn on if you need to. You have an outside shower. One nice big slide out with slide topper. That definitely helps prevent any water damage in the future that we all hope doesn't happen. All of our RVs do go through a full PDI before they're gone, so we make sure that they're all in good working order and things are as they should be. There's your stabilizer jacks as well. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 772-446-1370. You can also visit us online, www.floridaoutdoorsrv.com, or Facebook, Florida Outdoors RV, and Twitter, RVs in Florida. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.